Hi and welcome to SQL Injection Master Course. Before moving into the course, let's talk a little about the legal aspects. After watching my video courses or taking workshops, people get really excited about the knowledge, the power they gain into the series. And yes, you would be able to break into any kind of web apps if it is vulnerable to SQL attacks, but be aware, it is highly illegal to attack or even test any web app without permission. And I guarantee you, you will serve some great problems if you'll do so. My advice will be stick to the labs. Again, stick to the labs, whatever may happen, until and unless you got the permission to test a web application or you are a penetration testers with all the documents ready for the legal aspects. Don't try this on any kind of live websites. So that's all. Use your brain.exe before you do anything stupid, and that's all. And if you'll stick to the lab, I guarantee you nothing will happen and you will learn immense knowledge. That's all for this video, and see you in the course.